This is daybreak in Merete. It's the first morning I've woken up here. This is my front yard. We just missed a little cattle prod trail. This is what I get to look at every day outside my window. I don't know, the glare, I don't know if you can see through the glare. There's Carlito's little house that he's working on. And the tool shed. We've got a whole plethora of things that you can eat growing here. This is my little house. I bought this canopy, or so what I thought was a canopy, from Target before I came down here. It turns out there's no poles, there's no roof for it. It's just literally a mesh cover. So the packaging was rather misleading. Shame on me. Anyway, I stayed dry in here for the most part. Alright. Well, this is it. Well, this is part of it anyway. There's the 12-acre property that's down below. And there's another little plot somewhere else. But anyway, thought you all would get a kick out of that. Valley of Merete. You can't even really find it on Google Maps. It's so low key.